Hey guys, this is me Monica and welcome back to WP Hope. Today we are going to see how you can quickly create blog posts using AI. For that, all you need to do is just enter the topic of your blog and it will automatically create content for your blog. You might be thinking, how is it possible? So you can do that by watching this video. Here I'm going to use a tool called anyword. The process is too easy. This tool also suggests suitable titles, headings, and important keywords for your content which can help blog to rank in a search results. Now we are going to pass through 3 steps. First, creating an account on anyword. Second, generating a blog. And third or last one is adding blog to the website. So here we are going to do the first step, and in the first step we are going to create anyword account. So for that, let us type here a website anyword.com and then enter it. And here you can see this is the interface of anyword.com website, and first we are going to sign up free. And then here you can see you are welcome to anyword, and you have to type the email and password to enter inside that or creating the account, or you can continue with the Google. So I'm continuing it with the Google. So here you have successfully created your anyword account. Now we are going to the first step, that is to create the blog using AI. So we'll click on this blog option and here click on blog post. We are going to create a new project. So add to new project. Then we will enter into this space where you have to describe the blog post that you want to create. And here you have to write or describe something about the blog that you want to write in 5 words. So I'm here writing. So here I've written importance of a sport in a school. And now here you have to choose the topic that best describes your product. And I'm choosing here sports. So now you can add the keywords over here which will make to search your blog more easier. And here I'm writing game and clicking on next. And now here it has generated some titles for us. These are the titles which it has generated, and when you will hover your mouse over here, you can see how much the content is saved and how much it is viewed or used by the people. Or if you don't like these titles, then you can click on, and this generated some more titles for your topic. So you can choose a title which you wish. I'm choosing this one and I'm clicking on next. Or if you want to write the title of your own, then you can write by clicking over here, but now I'm choosing this. So this is the step of generating the outlines. Here several outlines are given. If you wish to prefer these or outlines, then that's good. But if you wish to remove these or outlines, then you can do it delete. So if you wish to add another section, then you can click over here. So I've added this outline and I'm clicking on next. Now here you can see the intro of the paragraph which has been automatically generated by AI. Now you can see here some of the paragraphs that it is given. You can choose the paragraph which you wish, or if you wish to generate more, then you can regenerate, but I'm choosing this one and I'm clicking on next. Again, if you wish to edit this intro, then you can click on edit and you can choose or select any other intros. Here now your setup is complete, so let us continue to the editor. So we got it. And now this is the blog which is generated. You can see this one is the paragraph which we have selected. If you wish to regenerate it, then you can click on regenerate. Then regenerate. Then you can see here it is regenerated. And now these are the outlines which we have added there. Now for writing or creating any kinds of paragraphs over these outline, you have to choose the length. And for that, go to this one and I'm choosing here the long, and then click on generate. Wait for a while, it is generating your paragraph. So here you can see your paragraph has been generated, and if you want to regenerate, then you can click on it. And furthermore, do same for these all. Then here you can see this is similar for other. And again, if you wish to add some more outlines, then just click on this one and your new section is created. Now write the headline and the paragraph over here, or you can generate from here. If you wish to write the paragraph by yourself, then just select the area and just go on typing. So now this is completed. Let us go to our dashboard and click on post. There, add new. Next. And now what you have to do is just to go to this page, and this is the post which we have created, and now we have to copy this post and paste it to here. So for that, let us copy this post. Here you can go to this option. It is copied, and now go to this option and here just paste. And now your blog is pasted over here. And if you wish to make your blog more attractive, just these heading could be displayed in a large, then for that just click on it, go to this option, and here you can see heading. So click on heading and you can see this is enlarged. Furthermore, these are also our subtitles, subheadings, so make it also visible. Just select this, make it bold. Furthermore, you can also bold these one too. So do this for all subtitles. And if you also wish to add some feature image to it, then go to this post and just swipe down and you can see the option of feature image. Click on it and just click on set feature image. If you wish to add from these library, then you can add, or if you wish to upload the media file, go to upload file and select the file over here. You can drag and drops too. So these are the images which I have selected for those all images. And so I'm selecting this image and I'm setting it as a feature image. Furthermore, if you also wish to add the images to these all sections here, just hover your mouse over here. You can find the option of add block. Click on it and you can see the option for image. Then tick it. Here you can see, or you can upload the image, add from media library. I'm going to add from here. So I'm selecting it. It is selected. If you want to align it from here or into the center, then just go to this option, then align center. If you wish this could be aligned just over the left, then just click on left align and it will be displayed like this one. Furthermore, similarly, you can add images to these all option too just by hovering mouse over here. So now your post is ready to publish. So click on publish option and publish again. So your post is published. So let us view our post. And here you can see our post is live on our website. So that's it, guys. This is how you can create a blog post using AI. Also make sure you like the video and click the below subscribe button to see more videos from us. So thanks for watching. I will see you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.